Welcome to the VYS Service Summer GarageBand Project Part 3. This week we'll take a look at song structure and we're going to add a guitar solo. So if you just look on the left here, we've got these mute cymbals and solo cymbals. So I'm going to play the track and we're going to have a little play around with those. Okay, so we'll solo the guitar. Mute the drums and solo bass. Right, so I think maybe we should do a guitar intro. So I'm going to drag this here just before bar 3. A bar is how long it takes to count to 4. So I'm going to split these. So if I click here, push again, and push split, and drag the scissors down, push here, and again, delete, and then do exactly the same for the bass. So push, push, split, delete. Great, let's have a listen. Okay, so time to add the guitar solo. So we're going to use Apple Loops again. So click up here and raise a rock lead guitar. So I'm going to hold that, drag it in the session, and we're going to put it halfway through. So we'll put it on bar 5. There we go. Let's have a listen now. Okay, so that guitar is a bit loud, so I'm going to use this fader here. I'm going to drag it across to the left and turn it down. Great, so that's the end of the VYS Service Summer GarageBand project. Thank you for watching.